Hello and welcome to our channel. As you can see, we're in a bit of a mess. I wasn't supposed to be making this video this week. The video that I'd scheduled or planned for this week was to show you how we're preparing the house for its first guests. So people are coming to stay in 2 days and we're not going to be here. So as you know that there's little quirks in your house, that things that go wrong that you know straight away not to do or how to fix or whatever. So it's going to be a bit of a learning curve for us because people are going to discover all the little bits and pieces. Hopefully we can sort most of it out over the phone if any problems arise. So anyway, I've been here for 4 days now. Been slowly filling up the pool. Been no problems. The water's been coming on for 4 hours a day. It's been enough to top it up by a third each day. No issues whatsoever. One thing you should know, I'm scheduled to fly home today and I've been up literally all night long trying to find a leak in the pool. Now I noticed that around 7 o'clock yesterday evening that the water level was dropping a bit. Didn't really understand what was going on, and obviously it was starting to get dark. So in a bit of a panic, I started hunting around for the leak. It got dark, couldn't find the leak. Went through ChatGPT, all kinds of YouTube videos. I feel like I'm waffling on a bit now, but I'm just trying to tell you the whole story. I've literally been up all night long. Had loads of suggestions, putting dye into the pool, looking for the air bubbles, looking for where the dye gets drawn out. Nothing works whatsoever. So I sat down on the sofa for an hour, crashed out for an hour, woke up when it got light, came straight outside and discovered a problem that I'm going to show you right now, which wasn't too visible in the dark. Okay, so I searched around the whole edge of the pool, starting from the highest point obviously, which is just behind me, back there a bit. Worked my way around and then found this. Now this is quite visible now because I've pushed it out from behind, but there was only a few tiny little holes there, and as the pressure of the water has got more and more over, I guess as it's built up, it's probably made those holes a bit bigger. So now what I'm trying to do is drain down the pool completely so I can get this lifted up. But as you know, this is fully cased in, so it's a big problem because I'm due to fly home tonight. Don't think I'm going to make that flight. It's Sunday today, and if you're aware of what goes on in Greece, not much opens on a Sunday, so the chances of getting the right bits and pieces to repair this are slim, shall we say. But that's the situation that we find ourselves in. That's Joe just waking up. That's the situation that we find ourselves in. So I've got a day of figuring out what's gone wrong here. I need to be out of here really by Tuesday because I've got guests arriving, and also my youngest daughter's got her driving test and I've been giving her driving lessons, and I need to be home for that. So honestly, a complete disaster. So yeah, in kind of desperation, I sent a message to the local Facebook group in here in Zakynthos and said, has anyone got a pool for sale, a pop-up pool for sale that I can just, even if it's smaller than that one, put up inside it or something, just to give the people that are staying here a way to cool off while they're here. So maybe that'll come to something, who knows. So if I'm able to make any progress today and patch this up, I'll do it and I'll show you the whole process. But if not, I know we've been fairly quiet over here on YouTube for a little while. We've had super busy lives. Joe's started her own business. a couple of businesses, and she's doing really well. I've been working flat out around the clock, but we are hoping that now the summer is here and we can get to and from Zakynthos easier, that we'll be able to keep you posted with what's going on in the renovation and general tales from around Zakynthos. But at the moment, from my little Greek puddle, I'm going to bid you farewell, and I hope to be making a success story video or tagging it onto the end of this one if it happens today. Thanks guys, hope everybody is well. Another plumbing issue, can you believe it? I've had so many plumbing issues or water issues. I'm going to go because I'm waffling. Bye bye.